One of the things which really characterize triple-negative breast cancer is that there is absolutely and positively no targeted therapy available for those patients. So there has been a lot of research effort, blood, sweat, and tears put into trying to find a targeted therapy for patients who have triple-negative breast cancer. And I think that the drugs that are the most promising, at least right now, today, are the antibody-drug conjugates. One of them is a drug called Glembatumumab Vedotin, which is made by a company called Celldex. And there is currently a clinical trial ongoing looking to assess how well it works in patients who have the target, something called GPNMB. So the antibody drug conjugate, Glembatumumab Vedotin, is comprised of sort of two parts. One of them is an antibody that targets something called GPNMB, or osteoactivin. It's important for cells to move around and invade. And it's linked to a drug called monomethyl auristatin, which is a pretty toxic antimicrotubule drug. And so we were very lucky to conduct some of the phase 1 and phase 2 trials in which we demonstrated that the drug had significant activity, particularly in triple-negative breast cancer. The current trial, the METRIC trial, is really looking to drill down on those patients who might potentially benefit from the drug. So what we're doing is that we are actually screening tumors for GPNMB. We have a cutoff of 25%. And if somebody makes that cutoff, then they are considered eligible for that trial. Patients cannot have more than 2 regimens in the metastatic setting and cannot have Xeloda, because it is a randomized trial of Glembatumumab Vedotin, or Glemba for short, versus Xeloda.